This was once a quiet residential area of Taiz, but the southern Yemeni city has become a battleground. Houthi rebels backed by former President Ali Abdullah Saleh are fighting forces loyal to the current president, Abd Rabbu Mansour Hadi, who's fled to Saudi Arabia. Civilians are caught in the middle. Reports suggest tanks are being used by Houthi fighters in central Taiz, and that the rebels fired at a public hospital. Streets are mainly deserted except for those involved in the fighting. 4 years ago, the protests in Taiz were an important part of the movement that removed President Saleh. And some of those demonstrators have joined the fight against the Houthi fighters he's now backing. Behind the front lines, there are many other unarmed people who are suffering from a lack of basic services. Meanwhile, the Saudi coalition air raids continue on Houthi positions in Taiz and in other parts of the country, including the capital. Medical aid is arriving in Sana'a, but aid workers say conditions are difficult.
The health sector is deteriorating because of the daily airstrikes all over Yemen. If UNICEF and the Ministry of Health were not cooperating and supporting us, we'd be witnessing a health disaster or genocide.
The United Nations says millions of people have been affected by the conflict since late March. And their situation has been made worse by the lack of healthcare, water, food or fuel. Caroline Malone, Al Jazeera.